Picture this: the lights flicker, then darkness. Your power is out, and a wave of concern washes over you. Beyond the immediate inconvenience, one thought quickly comes to mind. What about all the food in your refrigerator? How do you know what is still safe to eat and what needs to go? After a power outage, any perishable food items in your refrigerator that have been exposed to temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for hours are considered unsafe to consume and should be discarded. This rule is crucial for preventing potential foodborne illness. The reason for this strict guideline lies in something called the danger zone, which refers to temperatures between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Within this range, harmful bacteria can multiply rapidly, sometimes doubling in as little as 20 minutes. These bacteria can produce toxins that are not destroyed by cooking, and you often cannot see, smell, or taste them, making contaminated food seem perfectly normal. To decide what to keep and what to throw away, first use a food thermometer to check the temperature inside your refrigerator. If the temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, your food is likely safe. If it has risen above that, it is time to make some tough decisions. Immediately discard all raw or cooked meats, poultry, fish, and seafood, along with soft cheeses, milk, yogurt, and eggs. Also, any cooked leftovers, deli meats, and cut fruits or vegetables must go. However, items like hard cheeses, unopened commercially processed condiments such as ketchup or mustard, whole fresh fruits and vegetables, and bread generally remains safe. A good rule of thumb is that a full, unopened refrigerator can usually keep food cold for about 4 hours, while a half-full one might only last 2 hours. The critical factor is maintaining a temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Once food enters the danger zone, even if it is later cooled or refrozen, the toxins produced by bacteria during that warm period can still cause illness. This principle of temperature control is what makes your refrigerator such an indispensable tool for food safety, slowing down the growth of what food safety experts call potentially hazardous foods. Ultimately, prioritizing your health and safety is paramount after a power outage. Always remember the 4-hour, 40-degree rule and use a reliable food thermometer to guide your decisions. When there is any doubt about the safety of an item, it is always best to err on the side of caution and throw it out. This simple practice offers invaluable peace of mind and helps protect you and your family from foodborne pathogens.